I'm going to show you how to make an Elizabethan collar for your cat out of a paper plate. Not the cone of shame kind, but the kind that royalty would wear. It all started at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic in March of 2020. My cat Ginger had started to yank the fur out at the base of her tail, which turns out means that she was having an allergic reaction to fleas. But we didn't know it at that time because I didn't want to go to the vet. There was a pandemic. We really didn't have that much information. And I really didn't want to have to go to a store to go buy a collar for her. And I knew I had to keep her from licking and biting that area where it was extremely itchy for her. I looked up collars for cats, and I saw that they were also called Elizabethan collars. So I thought immediately of the paintings I had seen that have royalty with these big ruffs around their neck. And I thought it'd be really cool if I could make one for her. And I also saw that you could make a cone of shame out of a paper plate. So that's where my idea was born. Let's get started and make an Elizabethan collar for your cat out of a paper plate. You'll need a paper plate, a permanent marker with a chisel tip, scissors, paint, a brush, and water. Cut out the center of the plate, then cut along one of the creases, and draw your design with the permanent marker.